It's my homemade kayak rack to store one in the ceiling in my garage. Ratchet straps on both ends to support the weight of the kayak, and then a pulley system to let it up and down. Once you've got both ratchet straps removed, you undo the crank handle, and the weight of the kayak will lower itself to the garage floor. To raise the kayak, just reverse the process. Use the crank handle, pull it to the ceiling, put the ratchet straps back on to support the kayak, and it will hang there all day.
I close my eyes and I can hear them call for you. I wait in line to see if I